Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I am also great by the grace Almighty Bhagavan. Right now I am studying actually our potato field. Uh, we are we are discuss and describe our potato field. Actually, right now condition I can realize well and bad our potato field. I don't know our potato field good or bad, so I can showing here. Okay, as you can see, he's my brother, actually little brother, uh, my visitor. Okay, hello brother,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Mithun Chandurai.
Okay, is my little
It's
brother, as you can see.
it's potato khet.
Potato khet na?
Potato field.
Potato field hobe.
Field,
Okay,
field.
as you can
Ac-
see right now our potato field condition. Oh my god, uh, guri guri alu,
Yeah,
as
yeah,
you can see,
yeah.
very well condition, so we are satisfied here. Okay, as you can see, it's our potato field. Actually, it's me and my uncle uh, have land. Okay, as you can see, it's very colorful, actually greener, also very interesting place, and remarkable area. Okay, I like it. Hello, hello, Mitun.
Yes.
Only two lines in English. Okay. Describe our potato field. Okay. Right now your turn, and you can and your ability. Actually, your ability and explain it surrounding area. অর্থাৎ আশেপাশের এরিয়াটা তুমি ইংরেজিতে মানে বর্ণনা করো। ওকে, বলো।
It's potato field. My potato fields.
My potato field.
My
It's
potato fields. It's my potato fields. And big area,
big area and
uh, and and no.
okay, please don't mind. Actually, he's junior and junior, so don't know English. Actually, in English is a language. English is a difficult language as a Bengali, so it's very difficult for us. So it's normal thing in our life. Uh, Actually, we know understand English language, but we cannot properly English language fluently speaking. So it's our major problem. Please don't mind. Actually, he's try best try, but cannot properly maintain. Actually, I am not a good speaker for spoken English. I am a beginner. Actually, I am a learner. So uh, sometimes, actually, all times, maybe uh, my pronunciation and accent, uh, some mistake. I can realize my video. Actually, I realize my video sometimes. So it's a normal thing. Okay. uh, I can realize our potato field, as you can see. Hey Mitun, ওই পাশে যাই, চলো ওগুলো দেখি। Actually, very interesting place and a remarkable area. Okay, thank you so much. My washing video, another video actually. As you can see, it's a wild land, actually greener. Okay, এটা একটা দেখতো কেমন হয়েছে। Okay, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe me my YouTube channel, Tushar Opten. Okay, my YouTube channel.
Come.